Dino na okasadi afa ho.
Area Pramtobaka Siabon was so good so would see now and in so good so I was your double live. Our Facebook where Sompa 92.1. YouTube no so I Sompa TV. After your transam no so. Star Ghana Foundation, Wamo Diababa to Ja Trust Action for Youth Development. Yeah, kind of say our city project no. Nyankropo ya duma warmo pa want to mama kwansokra. Ewo ko for dua no ewo poye mantemu. We aya kwafo froso ya wobafa. Na wadi akanya mabunu chichiru ene abanwuma ahodo mo sane ye be na mabunu ni betumi ache ewo abanwuma ahodo a wo pese oyemu na programs manager Adema Action for Youth Development Dr. Ernestina Tete wona sompaka sie edinkomo echeche mu pi wo mani swade huna wonum enya.
What we embarked on was to introduce the project to the municipality and then go on to engage partners that will implement the project. At Star Ghana Foundation, our program is such that when we have projects, we have what we call the direct engagements, where Star Ghana holds dialogues and interventions and stakeholder engagements with duty bearers. But a bigger part of the grant goes to partners who are within the project site to implement projects that is coming from them because they are at the project site. So one of the things we did at the launch was to also garner interest from different groups who we will subsequently be working with. After the project, a number of processes have gone on. Processes we call in-house as the grant-making process because we are going to give grants. So we first of all engaged the National Youth Authority, asked about the existence of youth groups, and then after that we engaged with the planning officer of the municipality if the municipality also had any youth groups that we could engage. So when we got the list, we did an initial calls to some of these, in fact all of the numbers on the list, some of them were not, some numbers were not working, email addresses bounced back. Those that we got in touch with, we further asked them to submit an expression of interest for the project.
And what you know, and now by catch up, and you know, one new job in South. One morning for Isaac Appel, just seen so the two judges said, I don't know what doing ya baby pa. Say, assembly needed you must want to say, I'm a Bruno from Hunim. Now, I feel ready and do what you are, she will say, I'm a Bruno, a bit me account.
These engagements allow the youth and residents to have a say in shaping the future of their communities. The Assembly organizes these community engagements to ensure that the ideas and opinions of residents are valued and that decisions are made in their best interests. As we know, the youth are the heartbeat of our municipality's future. Therefore, their active involvement in the activities of the Assembly is not just desirable, but very essential. Other ways the Assembly engages its stakeholders are in the process of planning, budgeting, and the implementation of various initiatives. This inclusive approach ensures that different perspectives and expertise are considered, leading to more effective and well-rounded strategies, which ensures that they benefit the citizenry. Involving the citizenry in these processes, we acknowledge the needs of our youth, the knowledge, skills, abilities, ideas, creativity, and passion they possess. I wish to indicate here that we shall deepen our engagement with the youth to influence the programs we deliver. And I'm happy Star Ghana would want to join us.
I was your way, ya by crutch of Penina. Our new job in South, or Monya for Isaac Appel Jesse.
I was a for informal free new job in South about on Persuasian from Ras and Timantamasi and Wasso and call Tafo a year pancrono municipal. Na Tafo hene, Nana a Jim Frimpon, Tossum, you know, and dear Futu, a common ranted them about one Ghana this year, na set your minor and Nueni. It is a Cobasa ye Chechero minor, a ye Walla to Wallasa, we sofa, now we are sofa, near your Pejo minor, Edna ye sense, a drew baby a betchi any, Sassi Pecobi, and your mommy, and no more a your my dear Cobasa noa, not on my name Chichiano, in CP, in Sita, Nana a Jim Frimpon, Tossum, you know, not a foreign the sun summit to your bra, and Ra, one Tafo Abaya, Sabiane Kabumo, or Tafo Bontenso, a Shishan, and Nananum, and na this year upon Dinamo, a di Juma Pinoa, a war, a yet Tafo Bontenso, and Anana, a day a footway, Emma, na this year. Observe until way a na Tafo hene na futua what de ema yenenki hwese yebe kona yakwakofa ede amamono nansa ne yebetie na Tafo hene futua what de ema ye no oba penny oda Willie Way Foundation Ghana no a wo mo ehwe sebi yenuanoma ebia chese aniema fo mutirim na sebi omo yare omo adwunim ene ade wo boa eteti wo no mo esado omo esi omo dade ma Melinda abna menu no no susu dwumadie no wase bi no no susu no ne de ne futua wo de ema emrantene mabawane
Ubehu se akura kiti wonum enu starting nya hallucinations no otete nsem e wona somo hu bi wona ni so enti se no sa no so bi kwagege no pe esan se wote nsem wona ni ote nsem wona som no hu bi wona ni so nti no se nyame ampata no ode kosai ade enti se si ade o how kase aye face no enkwala no manum bebre na o maya so addicted no o mu sanya adwemu hawo Inti uba maso ho a enipa bebre na ho nyina most of the diagnosis no bebre e drug induced psychosis na psychoactive drugs are enuboni a enuroboni na ebi ni den ebi ni weed ensa alcohol ye drug ebi ye tobacco ebi ye heroin ebi ye cocaine and the rest. Tramadol is not supposed to be psychoactive drug. Tramadol nye enuboni ne momu no broni ya say 50 to 100 milligram per yemfansa yare obi a o pains him but sesi a the tramadol na nkwala ne num enye de broni ni ya ese yemfansa yare ni bi eye de onipa boni fo bi ahwehwe ingredient fufuro bi e de ahyem enti wonum a eno so you become so addictive. You become so addictive into addicted to that, and then also high into trauma doni weed na the same feelings na utuminya wo.
Observe for way Mami Lydia Abna Menu or that Willing Way Foundation Ghana nona yetene kana yensa nko yetie na nanata for hene nana agem from Port Tosum you know ne futua wade ema Ghana mai yenkuti no.
Zawo apo yeshe apomoduna ekura bibia zawo apomoduna na wo nyinchira so wo nyinchira ni nyina babishia se waye duma apo ade na wusie so udisia ya wu behwe na die dat and Abrabona in Asia. That's a lady and Asia. That's just
Nana, because I must have to get on my moon, so be a Sabia.
Abzafo nti wei aye nana tafo hene nana agimfrimpon toso mienu ena yetene nke wei bra enra wone na dehie nyina kabomu na tafo aban ye asabi akoka no ho ema omohye na dehie apom dinemu na ode sefutu wei abzafo ye gina wei so ne adan ye ho kakra ba ye ba nsem ne pia kechire.
Sesia Ghana had the open internet papa eye smooth eye fast bemo waye dia we bia with speed ya eye Cloud Ghana internet and fa ho ne baby a wo share say a new site and a rural area Cloud Ghana chow internet ni tuma said demo any entertainko na ne speed ne so de wo hu ne so da say dwumem efie ana baby a wo hia internet bia de and no ane Cloud Ghana internet sa santa memu hanko na wo dia wuni how kra Cloud Ghana nko na Ghana ha or providing internet connectivity and twitching the moon twitchency a dem say smooth the audi ebia a content term so the mouth say Wi-Fi and now hotspot deployment CCTV camera installation IPVT installation net surveillance digital security locks and a web hosting there Cloud Ghana internet service and kwana and you hamo and found ne baby a Cloud Ghana a chow tuma say with them any speed ne dear as soon as so as subimba Ghana had that simple Unya how bia you provided 24-hour support the mount ye mrantie no wo freya near drew hoda dada or how bia sanya tibia ya son no the amount what to me akoso the internet net dijumedie bia wudi bia ope cha kwan ya top high opposite Love FM ye ne kwama rural bank ne wo dan bakum free Mr Internet was 0202-699-110 ana 0244-601933 ubetumi so send a mail was support@cloudghana.com. Cloud Ghana Internet. The future can't wait.
21st Clinic aye sciatica expert. Sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no. Se ho techema eno ene ye fa ne sciatica. Na etimi bubu o to ase ka wo se dwe wo sirem wo je ho ba bia enye. Na no na 21st Clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu ye ntia baso bo magine wo Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketewa. Womuji international awards ahodo womuji local awards ahodo na anu nso na womu be the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim ha no ebi ni baabi a gise 21st Clinic nkoa womu de bibiduro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho eya yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama ade ba ko a womu gidi womu pa no eye sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ni ade Ghana ha ba bia wo mo ho 0540-311-311 0540-311-311 na 21st Clinic wo mo ye sciatica expert
Suma onyamija no beso Omayiri yawo edubuachi onyame akoa ya wieye pray wade tumi ahye ne wo free food for thought adehye nyina ene yankwankwa bi a how done so September Liberty Conference epepaso na pepaso Maranatha Evangelistic Ministries Kumasi Harper Road asemu ayakasa ho ye free asomafo se etiedio no nwochi temumi enu akopem yensa Acts chapter 28 verse 2 to 3 Shaneson say we ye burning of arrows part 2 anapano sia pepepepe kopem Brown kunkun bejaye eye dame 30th September Kumasi Atum Harper Road Ajumtofo edi jumtu beje jumedie ya papa Minister Sete Champo Yama mi Mabel Ochre aye kwa any resident worshipper Minister Kwame Jedu Wobet Sojom aji jumedie ya papa and traffic so how be daus amanie be daus or dan be daus wa ewiye onyame di tomi amani boy o mine yawo edubuachi na sada no pronsam so na obenya pa esane say onyankopon wa Abraham hu na chiri not so ni di tete kwafra bo kwadu kwaduma kankane a odan sebo wo peyi atu nyame ma edi ahofedie ebekoye fie bra Liberty Conference September edition oh glory hallelujah
Sompa.
I was here that say ya quite a drop where man tamo cry friend say pussy game what you dream. I was some year and saka for watch us say our pussy for be a one more ja de hia no kwan free boko ade akọ togo mamu wonmo ye adwarifo na posifo di wonmo anim akwamokafo bi akwakoto ahye wonmo so atotutuo mekasa nipa nkono de wonmo tinananom na nipa nkono no ayeka wonmo asam no ye adwarifo makomako enkono ya womo de nneoma free boko ekọ togo ena nei wonmo nka atiasefo hu na posifo no kirem se enipa nkono na munsia ayema ena miensa aye mema na de yakoba aye no nyina no aye sebra wo mu dru bako ene togo ahye so hono mo baabi no ena wo mu sa akwamkafo na to won mo kwan mu preko presa na sa posifo no ye ho hwea na enye ye won mo kon ye won ma famu de bia na so so o krade a enkwantum enye edututuo no akwamkafo no to ye na no den pa ena okaka nipa nkono a won mo nyina da akwakoye nyamedie yi na we mo kira sa posifo hyen no so won ma sasa ne nyina da ya enei won ma hyase a wo ya asem hwehwemu executive director Ademaura Initiatives for Self-Empowerment Ora Ahmed awa wane sompaka sia di nkomo achechie mu de ntia arahosemi yetiti.
It's a very serious source of worry for all of us who are watching the Boko situation, and for it speaks volumes as to how we are approaching the security and peace and the human rights of the people of Boko. I mean, the situation has to do beyond just keeping the security of the place, about the obligation of the state in terms of the morally and legally to uphold and protect the rights of the citizens of Boko. I mean, under no circumstance should anybody going about their business should be accosted and shot and killed. And this has not happened once, it has not happened twice. And so the intelligence gathering in the area is poor. And we need to talk about the fact that when these instances happen, we are quick to do a form of firefighting. The intelligence always is, before some of these things happen, there are informations, there are intelligence, some of the security get to know about this. If you monitor social media closely, you will see a series of posts relating to some events that are going to happen.
I was your executive director, the Rural Initiative for Self-Empowerment Ghana, Ora Awa Ahmed Nano, na Sabako ya Kano. Hensamo maso twa sore nan sentam entianam so mene pepe no asu se bia no na ka ho a amakwam kafo yi omufa ho di se adwume
abzafo yedemo ko agona so aduru na mobeka se ne nso eno yede tumanim se owura bia branche bi kura ya wadi fie be aduonu enum 25 years ya yeso we saka wani abranche akọ eye wutu obrachere secondary technical school akwaku ho aba ya bi se o man 100 Ghana na adwuma wode mano ene pa wo bo no se ni nuanam guest na omo egu girls dormitory no so mo bu omo nsa wie na omo pad na omo kwa akoto egu a wo mo ani nyina no no ba ko bi obeto no 100 Ghana na again no je se ansene ne tirim eno koyi ne teacher for so tira omo efro ru an so wo yenya bebiri na bra na beje wo ba ye ene sa posifo wo wutu bodwase eso no modi na kwa kogira mra no eye befua na no pai o cheche ni ba ko wo school mo no mo ene ye di nkomo e kire se nyame enim ne ba sa na che so mo nyina enkwala ne nyina yam siwo num na so mo gusu a wo mo e chechire wo mo kasa chire wo mo e ma wo mo akoma atom yam titru ni abaya no a ena no so mo chi wura no wo mo gusu a ene na e kasa wo mo ye ntoto se be ye na nkwada no bibia enko ha wo num
akola ba ko o e boda e ho no be yin aso se okota oba ohia abranti bi na abranti na se otopart oba yisu na part na otoba ko bia 100 cities nti Australia opese only ijuma ti onse sa part ndodo obenya bia no oba wutia ne ka nti ho man deposit of 100 cities say onje not start say o yesi ijuma ti akola ne bae no ono abi yi ono ane part no pay ink odi go part ni bi nti chi na adwiba ne trim say no mane mbo ni madam for bia mane so bo amane no that's okay so dia yene ne ye arrangement yene guy ne ye arrangement na ombra meje yembo ombo na mane say ade no ye bi nti ombra no omeje nti guy no so na adwene say go ne ye bi utwa picture share no de ode ink na yim no utwa picture share no ma GT say o wenya part ni bi nti obeje nti oba ya na eja ye ba ko na ye mo an ko police station nti me ne okasi akwa no ya che no a police station
Ozanfo we eyo cheche ni ba kwa wachira de wo secondary school honum na wo cheche nsemu e de achira ye no
Tabeta clinic ni ya kan for de ma we se ko so full alignment honum a na kwaje wa yare hwe Medina Fast Stone Fort Bridge and crying ɛna afei takrade takwa ani sunyane ho nyina tabita ho prostate yadeɛ diabetes liver anase kidney issue ana infections bi no wanya wo pa wo wonya bi anase mpo ho no na ho na mo hyehyew tabita clinic 0202 347647 0202 347647 sciatica yadeɛ no baabi baako pɛ na abɛtumi akɔ 21st clinic wate wo mo na bi mu wokɔ Kumasi Ehwe overseas junction oba for radio no obo asenso cancel quarters one mo akɔ junction enkrandomi market sunyane nkranza tachiman hyɛne nso sɛ sciatica yadeɛ no ho ahomete pa enti unya baabi pa sɛ ya no aso mu sɛ twetwe 0540 311311 0540 311311 Sowas Herbal Clinic nie ye comfort yamon yase stroke yade ajewo de wakadam fibroid yade na wo liver no ho atechema akobu panemu nsan yade no akwakote hepatitis typhoid yade na cancer ne nyina ye Sowas Herbal Clinic wo ebusua wo tuase ta no abone se dwe dwadwadwadwa e de free wa ma ho ato wo Shim School Junction and Barakesi 0243282629 0243 282629 Koko masete duro no 3 equal capsules woko kona keba dani heba misty heba epidanka on sabekabi koko aduro no we wotumi nom de ko party as engagement chese baby ya wobetumi anom de akọ emfa oyem enye ohwe 0546 107 107 0546 107 107 Dr. Abenio ko tano so patapa new site on mo a ehọ na abe wo wo so yade no hwe ayo so kode na ho ayo so kwa nkoche se woje wo ba bia enye ayo so no a na beku da bi da ebusua nyame nkan bi wate fa ko Dr. Abe nchen tano so patapa uduro no bi se akoda se me pe Dr. Abe nchen wo beboa kama no do akọ se ko so yade ene na onyanko ho 0243 345392 0243 345392 and 0506 460208 Cloud internet near the fastest internet in the world no wo per internet papa ye ho tie ye ma wa how bi ya ne akomatia cloud internet wo per cameras awodo bi se be install bi dia ma o anase mpo web hosting digital security locks ne ade na wo onse pa top high ye love from din hwani mu abronsa no akoma wo my bank wo mu no sada kro no amu na abehu yen 0202 699110 0202 699110
Abzafo yenyina we so na awie yen samo eboapo ano de besom no yemfamo nsia ne ensori masompa nkomo emeto aso bedi ede na ya bo amale bia boga wie mene
akosua ejewa kode boati